How many bidders or potential buyers, as your agent said, you've got?
I think there was 8, but they were here to see
a few properties.
Yes. So let's say in real estate terms we cut that in half and then we cut it in half again. So we've got 2,
all
but
you need.
all you need is 2.
Yeah.
That's it.
Let's hope we've got those 2 in the room.
If those 2 are here tonight,
There might be a chance.
there might be an auction on our
Come
hands.
out wherever you are.
Before this actually kicks off, is there anything you want to say?
I'm a bit stiff in the knee. I won't be going down. I'll be
Just asking. Just asking.
I don't think you could handle it.
I don't think I could either.
This will be the most affordable property today on offer on the block. It'll ultimately turn out to be the best value and the best buy. The fee that we earn today at Biggin & Scott will be donated entirely to the charity nominated by Polly and Was, and that is Heart Kids.
So all of the commission that Big & Scott would make from this property is going direct to Heart Kids.
Right.
So Big & Scott aren't keeping anything.
Good. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Let's see some bidding. I'm in your hands, and I'm looking for an opening bid of 750,000. We're bid 650. 650. Make it 700 if you like, but we need to start somewhere. 650 a bit light on. Can I see 700 anywhere? At 700 we're bid. At 700.
We're off to start.
We've got a bid.
Go!
At 700 we're bid. At 700. At 10, thank you, David. At 10, back at 20 if you like.
There you go. Now, he was a potential buyer in the previous auction.
At 30, 730 we're bid. At $730,000. At 730, first time 40 now. At 40. 700.
We're up 10.
There's arms flying. There are arms flying.
At 740. At 740, first time.
No.
Second time at 40.
Russell, are we close to the reserve?
No, we're not, but thank you for asking. 740, I can't wait. 50. At 750, welcome. At 750, looking for 60. 60.
There we go. Slowly at auctions, up she goes by 10 at a time.
Well, it took us 5 weeks to win a room. That was slow and steady.
Yes.
It's a long way to go.
First time. Second time at 760. Third and final time at 760. Are you all done? Silent. Surely not. How about a 5 anywhere? At 760. Anywhere at all, another 5, shall we say? At 760. First time. Second time at 760. Third and final time. Are you all done? Said and terrific. 765.
Okay.
That's fine, 765.
Come on.
2.5. No, it's not on the market. We'll tell you. We'll be happy to tell you. At 775, I am bid. At 75. At 775. First time. Second time. Third and final time at 775. 85. 85.
There's a good jump.
At 785. At 785. Well done, Frank. Get them laughing. At 85. Can I see another 5 anywhere at all? 785. At 90 now. At 90.
There we go. The sleepers in the room that'll pop up.
At 795. 791. 791. 800. Saving the front.
800.
Advantage property. Good on you. 80. At 800 we're bid. At 805 I'm looking for. At 800 first time, can I see another 5 anywhere?
Who is Frank?
801.
Frank is a buyer's advocate, so he buys on behalf of investors.
Yes.
So hopefully he's got a deeper pocket than what
Yes.
he's showing at the moment.
Thank you for the 1. 810.
810.
Come on, Frank.
Oh, see, he's got
Get
money.
up! Another 1, can I say? 810 I'm bid.
Come on, lady.
810. First time, can I see 5 to 15? 810 I'm bid. First time. Second time at 810. Third and final time. 810. 810 looking for 5. 11. Thank you. It's a bid. 811. 811. Should we say 15, Frank? 811. 811. I'm bid first time, second time. Third and final time at 811. 20. 800, how about one again? 21, 821, 821 in front, 827, 827,000, good bidding.
Come on, Russell.
Come on.
827 for the first time, second time, third and final time at 827.
Kidding, this is the best buy around.
Said silent. Take one from anybody. Are you all done? Said silent. 827. Looking for one. No further bidding? Welcome.
He's back. He's back.
28. Are you all done?
No. No.
827. Looking for one. No further bidding? Welcome.
He's back. He's back.
28. 835, that's my man.
That is one.
Another one, can I say? 835 is my bid. Another one, anywhere at all.
Come on, guys.
835 with Frank. 835, can I see one? To 36. 2.5. 837.5. 840,000.
We're there.
Are you happy for me to sell it to him? Shall we sell him the property at 840?
It's on the market now.
At 840,000, we're on the market unreserved, and we are selling. Can I see another one anywhere? Bitch with freight Valenti, Advantage Property.
We need enough for a flight home. Come on.
First time we're selling. Second time we are selling. Third and final time at 840,000. 842. 845.
Oh my God, we're flying home.
845, we're selling. To you again if there's no further bidding. 845.
If the next two properties don't get to reserve, you guys win $100,000
Don't say
because you're over the reserve.
Don't say that.
Bid now. This is on the market. It's going to be sold. 845. Looking for one. First time. Second time. We are selling. Third and final time. Are you all done? Said silent. We're selling the property at
Who's got it?
846. Thank you, Rebecca.
Business class. Yahoo! Business class.
Keep 50 franc.
850,000.
At 850.
850.
There you go, $10,000.
One more.
She looks stressed.
Maria. Dollars. First time. Second time. Third and final time at $850,000. Are you all done? Said silent. Is there a bid coming here? It's going. Well, make 51 franc. 50. Let's make it 860.
$11,000.
851. Make it 60, yeah? 55.
853,000.
853. Another one. 853. Another one if you like. 853.
$13,000.
Sorry? Yes, of course. 53 and a half. 55,000.
Yeah.
50. We can come back to Melbourne for another trip.
855 first time. 855 second time. Third and final time. We're definitely out over there. David, no, also we're selling the property to Frank Valenti Advantage Property. It's going, and sold!
We want somebody. How's it away?
Well done. I'll get up. Well done. Well, I'm so glad you're happy. You're in the running to win the block because you've only got 2 houses to go. You're in front at this stage.
Wow.